it's Kaya. Today we have some more Squish Yum goodies. So after we're all done opening the Squish Yum goodies, I want to announce the slime winners. So let's see what we got. So the first one we have is this blue ice cream cone. So this is what it looks like. It's very. Let's see how squishy it is. Squish it like that. That's super sorry. I would give this one like probably 5 out of 4, probably.
5 out of 4?
Maybe. I'm not sure really. Maybe like
I say it's
10.
like a 10 out of a 10.
Yeah, probably 10 out of 10. So I love this one. It's like my favorite.
It looks really squishy.
My favorite color is.
Yeah, and we didn't have any ice cream cones so far out of this Squishy Yum collection.
Yeah, so now I have the whole collection. So that's very exciting. Then I got this like yellow donut. Let's open this one up. I'm so excited to squish it. Let's squish this.
So this is our first goodie donut. We have the mini ones, but we didn't have any of the big ones.
Yeah, this is like very slow. I would give this 10 out of 10. I might do old one 10 out of 10 if they squish well, like slow rising, like this one.
Yeah, and there's no defects or anything like that. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, like pills or like that. I love this one. I'll definitely give that 10 out of 10.
And sorry guys for my voice. I've been a little sick.
Yeah. Then we got a pink swirl. I did that on accident wrong a little bit, so it's okay.
No, it is a pink swirl. Yeah.
Yeah, but I actually did it wrong a little bit. So I have the
last time we got
this
purple
one.
So now we have both.
The pink one.
Let's see the back of the pack.
Yeah, and when I was actually...
So it just comes with 2 swirls, so now we have both of those.
So when I was, we bought these, I, was squishing all of them because I wanted to see if they slow rise. I couldn't wait until we did it. So, yeah. So this is what it looks like. This one's slow rising than the other one we got from last time. So, yeah.
How does it smell? Let me see.
Yeah.
So these ones are kind of smelly. They kind of have that weird chemical smell, but it is super squishy.
Yeah. I love this one. Maybe I would give it like a 10. Maybe.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
They're all 10s.
Then we got a pink ice cream cone.
Yay! Now we have both of the ice cream cones.
Yeah, that's why I said we gotta get the whole collection because we need to just get 2 ice cream cones. So this is what this looks like. Let's see. Yeah, it's hard to squish it this way. Yeah. Okay, this is a 10 out of 10. Maybe all the squishies will be 10 out of 10 because these are like best squishies ever. So yeah.
And we found these all at Walmart, if you guys are wondering.
Yeah. So then we got the white donut. This is the last one we got.
How many donuts are there?
Let's see. 2. It's 2 donuts and those bread things.
Here, let me see the back.
2 ice cream, 2 swirls, and 1 bread.
Okay, so then we officially have the whole Squish Yum collection because we have all of them.
Yes. If you saw some squishies we got from last time, just comment down below and you say, I saw it, okay? So, yeah. So then this is what it looks like.
Ooh, that one's pretty. These look so real. They look like real donuts.
Yeah. It smells like
the chemical smell, yeah.
Yeah.
Who cares? As long as it's squishy, that's all that matters.
Yeah. I give this 10 out of 10. So this is all we that.
Alrighty, guys, that's it for the Squish
now
Yums.
We are ready to do the giveaway winners. So,
Woohoo! Alrighty, guys, so we already drew the names. So the 2 winners are, let me grab my paper.
so
Book Reader and Rosie Squish Squish. Congrats, guys!
So guys, comment down below which one you want.
Yeah, so we only have one of each. So we have the Cyclops Snot and the Monster Mud. So whoever comments first will have the pick.
Yeah,
But either way, they're both cool, so either one.
They feel the same, and they have like the same like stuff in it. So it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, guys, so if you were a winner, make sure you guys comment down below.
Which one you want.
And you can send Kaya a message on her Instagram with your address. Her Instagram is Kaya's Super Sweet Channel. But make sure you get your parents' permission before giving out your address. Okay, guys?
So, yeah. If you want this one, and whoever says it, if you guys pick both of these, someone picks this one and this one, so then whoever says I want this one first gets it, and then if
whoever comments first will get the first pick.
And whoever wants this one, same thing, what I just said. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.